Today we slow cooking Greek lamb shanks. To start, we fix him up the meat. I got a 6 nice shanks for 1 Greek lamb. Little bit salt, pepper, now leave them relax a little bit. Get some patates, chop them, some carrots, cut them thicker, couple onions, dice them nice, 1 beautiful garlic, and mix them all up. Put 1 pot of gazi, put inside some Greek olive oil, and make him nice and hot. Slowly, we put the meat inside, turn them a couple times, give them nice color, and take them all out. Add aside your onions, your garlic, carrots and patates, mix them, and leave them cooking a couple minutes. 2 tablespoons tomato, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon allspice. Now fix him up some salt, black pepper, little bit Greek oregano, and if you got thyme, put some thyme also. Now mix them all up and cook it there another minute. Get some wine, make sure it's nice, then put aside 1 cup, 800 grams diced tomato, and 1 cup the beef stock. Mix him a little bit, get him your shanks, and put them inside your pot. Fresh rosemary, 3 bay leaves, bring him to 1 boil, cover him your lid, we do it across the top. Now put him in the oven, 175 degrees Celsius. 2 hours, we'll take him out, flip him around a little bit if you're needing. Now we put him back uncovered and finish off. 30 minutes, she's done. Now leave her relax 10 minutes. Put some vegetables on your plate, take how much meat you're needing, and a little bit more of the juice, the top. Fix up a little bit fresh parsley. See you happy if she's coming to the bone more easy. It's bloody beautiful, mate.